Hola amigos, this is your Sir Ahmed with a new class for you. Today we are going to learn a very important aspect of the Spanish language, and it's also one of the most confusing subjects to learn. Okay, uh, this is the usage of lo, la, le, and se. Okay, what do these terms mean? Okay, lo means him, la means her. But lo and la can also mean it. Okay, then what does le mean? Okay, if lo and la means him or her, what does le mean? Le also means him or her. Okay, and then what does say mean? Say can also mean him or her. Okay, now how and when do we use lo or la or le or say to say him or her? And then we have lost, las, and less. Loss and las, okay, can again also mean them, okay, for things as well as for uh, people as well, okay. Loss and last can mean them, loss and last can mean it as well for things as well, okay. And less, okay, less again means less is the plural of lay. So all these terms, all these aspects, how do we use them? I'll try and explain them to you today as best as possible, okay. It is confusing and it is hard to learn, but it's not that difficult, okay. So listen carefully, follow my class and try to understand and be able to use them. I'll explain to you with examples because that's the only possible way that it can be done, okay. Let's start one by one, okay. I'll give you some examples. Voy a decirle esto. Okay, voy a decir is the going to formation. I'm going to tell, I'm going to say. Okay, so voy a decirle esto. I'm going to tell him this or I'm going to tell her this. Okay, now why have we used le here and not lo? Okay, now here we have used le and not lo because the sentence is completed with an esto. So it doesn't sound correct to say voy a decir lo esto. So that is why we use le here. Now, if you're not going to follow with an esto or algo, then we can use lo or la. For example, tengo que animarlo or tengo que animarla. Okay, I have to encourage him, I have to encourage her. Here we can properly use lo and la because we are not following it with another word which ends in o, okay, like esto, algo, something like that. Okay, so voy a decirle esto and tengo que animarlo. Okay, then necesito hablarlo mañana. I need to talk to him tomorrow. Or necesito hablarla mañana. Okay, necesito, now I need to give him this. I need to give it to him. Necesito, the following the rule, it would be necesito darle lo. Okay, le means him or her, lo means it. But then because of the sound aspect, lelo doesn't sound correct. So we replace the le with the se here. So it will be necesito dárselo. Now this se here means him or her. I need to give him it, or I need to give it to him. Okay, necesito dárselo. Okay, some more examples. Necesito mandarle algo. I need to send him or I need to send her something. Okay, we won't say necesito mandarlo algo. Again, it's lo, so the lo is replaced with a le. Necesito mandarlo. Now here we can use lo because we are not following with another word with a no. So necesito mandarlo mi dirección mañana or necesito mandarla mi dirección. Okay, I need to send him my address or I need to send her my address. Then necesito mandársela. Now the him and the her has been changed to say. Why say? Because we have two words that are following lo la, which would change into say la. I need to send it to him, okay? So the la is it and the se is him or her. Yeah. So we can't say here necesito mandar Lela or necesito mandar Lola. Okay, this Lola, Lela doesn't sound correct. So the lo and the la has been changed to se here. Okay. So necesito mandar Sela. I need to send him it or I need to send it to him. Okay. So basically these are the rules of how to use lo, la, le, se, and now if you're talking plural, then it becomes los, las, and les. Okay. For example, necesito hablar los. I need to talk to them. Or necesito darse los. I need to give them it. Okay, etc. These are the plural formations. Now, again, with the order form, when we're using the order form in Spanish, okay, or the mandatos, again, we can use lola, and now here it means it. Okay, for example, tomalo, tomala, take it. Okay, lo is for masculine, la is for feminine. Tomalo, okay, take it. Or toma esto, take this here. Okay, comelo, eat it, or comela. Okay, danos, give us. Okay, háblame, talk to me. Háblanos, talk to us. Okay, etc. Escúchame, listen to me. Escúchale, listen to him or her. Escúchales, listen to them. Okay, léelo, read it, or léela, read it. Okay, dámelo, give it to me. Dame, give me. Lo or la is it. Dámelo or dámela. Okay, give me it or give it to me. Okay, if you're not using that, then we use the article what you're talking about. Okay, dámelo, give it to me, or dame un libro, give me a book. So basically, these are the uses of lo, la, le, and se. Hope you were able to understand it. Any questions, any doubts, please ask me in the comments. I'll try and clarify it further for you. I hope you enjoyed this class. This was a request of one of my students, for whom I have specially made this class. So thank you for accompanying me today. My friends, I'll see you very soon again in a new class. Muchísimas gracias. Hasta luego, amigos. Adiós.